Introducing the 2023-2 Schrödinger release. Let's take a look at some of the new features and enhancements. Starting in Maestro, when performing interactive residue mutations, one now has access to a collection of non-standard amino acids. The list includes Schrödinger-provided built-in non-standard residues. More importantly, access to the user's collection of non-standard residues as managed in the non-standard residue database. In Maestro Preferences, there's a new option to limit the number of atom labels to display. This can help reduce unexpected clutter in the workspace. Users with access to LiveDesign can now monitor the connection status with a new indicator, which also serves as an access point to connect and disconnect from LiveDesign servers. When sending Maestro scenes to Pymol, one can now create a simple scene loop movie. Pymol will automatically interpolate and animate between the scenes and nutate for a set period of time. In the FEP Plus panel, users can now save time by automatically filling in the state populations for protomers and tautomers. The Auto Populate button will run EPIC 7 to calculate the pKa values for the given pH and populate the table. In the Map tab, we see improved atom mapping of macrocycles, while over in the Overview tab, the predicted affinity column has been simplified to contain both the affinity and the error values. We see UX improvements in the IFDMD panel, which now displays a visual indicator displaying whether the target ligand is missing torsional parameters, thus making it clear whether or not to run Force Field Builder. Over in the Antibody Structure Prediction panel, modeling of single-chain FV antibodies is now available as a new format. And it is here where one can enter the linker sequence or monomer unit, and then gain direct access to the Protein Linker Design panel to continue building the linker between the heavy and light chain of the generated FV model. Other antibody modeling enhancements are seen in the Multiple Sequence Viewer, where one can now highlight the veneer zones in an antibody sequence. These are just some of the highlights of the 2023-2 Schrödinger release. For the complete list and to learn more, please visit schrodinger.com/new features.